Hi. So this is my vlog for Chris. um. I don't know what to do at all. Um. This is my cat. His name is Kitten, and he's really confused. And you just wrote me a message. You showed me what book you were reading. And this is what I'm reading. And it's about vampires. So yeah. And you have tea. And I have cranberry juice and the cookie. My bedstand is all the way over there. This is my wall. Got a lot of stuff on it. Here's my other wall. Two walls. Lots of things. My hair is not straight. So I didn't have school today because we have pointless days off in America and there. It's fine. My camera sucks. Yours is better, which is sad, because yours is on an iPod. My mom's food is done. It beeps. I'm going to take you on a tour of my room. My cat's going to be in my bed. Room. Yay. Would you like to see my board? It doesn't have anything cool on it. You know. Whatever. Mirror. I didn't do anything. I have no life. Corner. Toaster. TV. Couch. Messy floor. Messy. Chair. Whoops. Record player. It's always good. Also, I have no door. No, I'm not. My computer. Guys, go away, you're ruining it. Okay. So, my mom just asked me what I was doing. Which kind of messed things up. But whatever. New York? Different law. So yeah, my life isn't nearly as exciting as yours. My personal vlog isn't nearly as good as yours. And I'm not British, so it instantly just makes it not as good, doesn't it? I think so. So, that's my room. And now I'm gonna go eat that cookie.